One radish in the garden, oh so red. Next to it, a rabbit so well fed. Two raccoons search for food all night. Sneaky and slick, they move with delight. Three robins on the branch, singing a song. Their melody sweet, lasting all day long. Four roses in the yard, a sight to behold. Their petals soft and fragrant, like pure gold. Five raindrops falling, pitter-patter on the ground, bringing nourishment to plants all around. Six rockets soaring high, up in the sky, leaving trails of smoke as they pass by. Seven rabbits hopping in the field so green, chasing each other, the happiest you've ever seen. Eight rhinoceroses grazing with strength and might. Their sturdy armor protects them right. Nine rainbows after a storm, colors so bright, a beautiful sight like a magical light. 10 robots buzzing, gears a spinning, making life easy, a new beginning. We've reached the end of our R-word rhyme. Thanks for listening and taking the time. With R-words galore, we've come to the end. Thanks for sticking around. You're an awesome friend.